SPAS is a group of export schools engaged in the export of tiles. SPAS has a tagline that is another shapes of Indonesian art. SPAS has a meaning, namely space that can give movement to anywhere and anything to expand its wings farther and hope to move higher through this export school. One of the products from space is tiles, with the product name Indonesian Encaustic Tile. Tegel is a tile and wall coating material made of a mixture of sand and cement with a typically vintage motif made in Indonesia. Tegel or ceramic tiles have a pattern or figure on the surface that is made up of multiple colors of clay. Usually, tegel has 6 patterns and the pattern is inlaid into the tile's body, ensuring that the design is preserved as the tile wears down. The primary purpose of encaustic tile pairs is to enhance the appearance of a file or room, both inside and out. Tiles are most typically used for floor mats, but they are also frequently used to decorate kitchen walls, bathroom, and other areas. Tiles over the edge benefit of being relatively easy to maintain, non-slip smooth touch, sturdy quality, waterproof, and ecological friendly. Let me introduce our member. Wafa Rodatul Aisi from Marketing Telkom University as a leader. Iman Zakaria Ansori from Industrial Engineering ITENAS as a finance. Meliana Uranda Borusiregar from Meteorology Bandung Institute of Technology as a marketing. And Nida Askia from Meteorology Bandung Institute of Technology as a operational.
Indonesia has a lot of cultural wealth ranging from language, custom, food, natural beauty, and much more. One of Indonesia's cultural wealth that has been worldwide is batik. Batik has a unique style and is different from other textile patterns. So, it is considered to have various comparative and competitive advantage in the domestic and international market. Batik has also success in becoming a market leader in the world batik market. The handicraft industry is one of the sectors that is a priority for development by the Ministry of Industry or Kemenperin. Continuing from batik, Indonesia has a wealth that still not many people know, namely tegel. Tegel is one of the classic types of tile whose existence does not end with the time. Until now, tegel are still widely admired. The tile motif is one of the ancient motifs that has existed since 13th century. The tile motif in Indonesia come from Spain and Portugal. Even though this motif is also known to be synonymous with Indonesian culture because it has something to do with Indonesian batik motifs that are already worldwide. According to legend, before the Spanish began to create tile motif, civilization in the Arab world imitated the Roman mosaic motif. After that, European tradesmen and artists began to incorporate their concept into their work, adding their own twists and local knowledge. It was here that the tile terms was first conceived. Indonesia's tile production is in the top 5 in the world as one of the tile production countries. In 2021, Indonesia's tile production is recorded at 538 million meter per year. Although the largest tile production is still controlled by China, Indonesia's tile production has a significant increase every year. Seeing the huge potential possessed by Indonesian tile industry and the aesthetic offered by tegel itself, it is hoped that tegel can also dominate the global market with the uniqueness and characteristic possessed by Indonesian tile product. In addition, the capacity and capability of the Indonesian tile industry has been able to meet national needs. Our hope is that through tegel we can channel our culture with the art that is depicted in each of the tile product.
Now, cement tiles are available in various motifs, ranging from contemporary to typical motif from several countries. The use of tile is now starting to bloom along with the emergence of various home design. When compared to ceramics and porcelain, tiles have pores so they don't break when exposed to heat. Rooms with floor made of cement tiles also tend to be cooler. The main difference lies in the material and the way it is made. Ceramic tiles have a faster manufacturing process. This is because it can be done first by heating first. The material consists of a layer of cement and mixture of colored cement for the top layer. This tiles mix is then molded using a metal mold. Unlike ceramic tiles, cement tiles or tiles are made using a manual process that still relies on the craftsman's hand skill. So the end result is not always the same. The tiles themselves still use traditional techniques. Mega added the process of making tiles is a very complicated process. This manual technique is still maintained so as not to eliminate the value of craft in the product. Not only the term of product, but also in the term of manufacture techniques. Even this still traditional technique is what makes the tiles look more attractive. The way of making it starts from mixing cement and meal and cement dye. Mix evenly by hand so that the color can be mixed perfectly. Color can come out if there is weighting with both hands. Continue to sieve with a fine sieve. Then pour the first layer of cement slurry, a concentrate mold made of brass sheets, apparently like a dry bread concentrate or slightly similar like to batik stamp, into steel concentrate that can withstand several tons of pressure during the pressing process. Concrete weight about 30 kg. The manufacturing of color cement slurry into each motif print space according to the desired color. After filling all the space, the concrete motif is taken from the concrete steel, followed by giving the second, third, and fourth layer with different mixture and size. After it is printed, it is closed and entered into the press machine with hydraulics. The next step is the steel mold is opened and the cover and the necklace are taken. Take a freshly pressed tile that is still wet and unstable. This process requires expertise and true roughness. If it is not an expert tile, it will most likely be damaged in the process of taking this tile and into the first drying. The dry tiles are put in the water bed and left for a week, days, or 1 week. This process must be passed because in the water there is a chemical process that makes the tiles very hard, and then dried again until the last step is finishing with sharp edges.
In this section, I would like to convey my research on market opportunity and target market about encaustic tile in global trade. Now, ceramic manufacturers in Indonesia successfully rank 7th in the world with an installed production capacity of 538 million square meter per year, and able to absorb a workforce about 150,000 people. Encaustic tiles industry from Indonesia is very superior if you compare it to products by its competitors, because all production raw material like bulk clay, feldspar, zircon, and production fuel are easy to find in Indonesia. Ceramic tiles in Indonesia are currently able to penetrate the export market of ASEAN countries, Europe, the United States, and Australia. Even specifically for the large porcelain slab production, only Indonesia can produce in ASEAN. Okay everyone, in the last section, I will tell you the 5 main export destinations for ceramic products. And the 5 main export destinations for ceramic products are to the Philippines, Malaysia, Taiwan, Thailand, and the United States. The increase in export outside the 5 main destination countries also occurred in Australia by reaching 50%.